Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some really fun Halloween, or should I say summerween, decor. I grabbed everything from Dollar Tree, and of course I'm just going to use the glue and cardboard that I already have at home. If you watched my Christmas in July video, this is going to look familiar. I just picked up one of those witch hats from Dollar Tree, and I found a plate that perfectly matched the opening of the hat. I used that to trace my cardboard circle, and I'm also going to trace a piece of cardstock for the bottom. The cardstock is totally optional. I'm going to cut out my cardboard circle with a high-grade utility knife. This looks like a box cutter, but is much sharper. It has given me more than one stitch over the years. So I found that when I score this along the top, it gives me that clean shape that I drew. And then the second pass frees it up without all of those jagged edges. It makes the whole process so much easier. Then I'm just going to cut out the cardstock with a pair of scissors. Now I'm going to stuff this hat. For the Santa hat that I made, I used grocery bags because I didn't want it super full. But this one needs to be firmer, so we're going to stuff it full of polyfill. Once it's stuffed, I'm going to close it up with this cardboard circle. Now there's this little flap that runs all the way around where the hat meets the brim. I'm just going to fold that over the cardboard and glue it and seal it. Then I glue the cardstock right over the top. So I need to make a stand. I'm going to use 2 glass candlesticks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue those together. If you want yours to stay permanently, I would definitely use some E6000. Hot glue alone won't last on glass, and sometimes it doesn't even make it through the next hour. Because I reuse these for videos, I don't expect them to stay together forever. Now before I glue that hat onto the stand, I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. All of my florals are from Dollar Tree, no surprise there. I'm using 3 different picks. I wish I had grabbed more of these big black glittered leaves because they're really nice. So I'm going to add a piece of cardboard underneath the brim to catch that hot glue because it goes straight through it. I'm only decorating the front of mine, but this would be gorgeous all the way around. If yours will be seen from every angle, just repeat the same step 2 or 3 times and it'll be perfect. Okay, so these little leaves that are on the black pick, they usually come in a cluster of 3, but you can snip one of those off and it will help you to stretch everything a whole lot further. When we first had our son, forever ago, we lived off of coupons and dollar stores. And I wanted him to remember our holidays with all the decorations and the lights and the fun, so I made everything myself with whatever I could find. Along with the Goodwill finds and the hand-me-downs, I just made all of it work. And it just snowballed into, well, all of this. And so because of this, I'm always going to have a soft spot in my heart for the Dollar Tree. It just reminds me of the good old days. I'm just going to add enough ribbon to pull that hat and candlestick together. And then to secure it, I'm going to use the wired edge. Same ribbon as before. I was just too lazy to walk across the house and go get a wire. Sheer laziness is my excuse. Okay, so now I'm just going to fishtail the ends. I'm going to glue the bow to the stand and then attach the hat. And now for the part I'm starting to call. This makes absolutely no sense, but we're going to do it anyway. I wanted spider webs, but not the kind that you stretch over the shrubs and stuff like that. I'm going to use hot glue strands. Yes, those obnoxious strings we all hate finally have a purpose. And I'm putting them everywhere. I loved it. If you don't like them, all you have to do is just hit it with a heat gun real quick and they disappear, as long as there's no big blob of glue sitting there. And you can redo this year after year, so it doesn't even matter if they get messed up in storage. And here it is. I love this so much that I made a fall version too. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.